Hello everybody. Today I'm going to share with you tips and tricks to overcome most common requests and mistakes in watercolor, especially for beginners. And I know usually beginners started to paint by painting outline, right? Kind of like this. And let's paint another one. Mhm. And one more time. And you start to fill it with pink. Like this, right? I wanted to show you different approach and really show you what watercolor is and why I love it and why it's so much easier to paint than this way. So I have this bud here. Yes, I do paint an outline like this. This is the starting point for me. For another one as well, I paint an outline, add pigment, and the third one, just a bit. Then I clear my brush and I have those drops. I don't want them. So I softly apply a tissue. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint with water. Like this. See this flow? This is magic of watercolor. Even when you paint at an angle, I paint at an angle. My painting don't lay flat on a table. I have a little angle. By the law of physics, color should stay here, and when I apply water, water should stay here. But magic happened. Diffusion, watercolor flow happening, and they starting to interact. And I achieve this wonderful color flow. Very soft, gradually, naturally. And I don't paint much. I just apply a water. So I have this green, paint an outline. Like this. I'm not afraid to connect pigments, to connect those sessions and let them to move and flow. Again, I can take another brush filled with water and add water to achieve the same effect. Watercolor flow. And other areas I fill rapidly with water. And when I apply these rapid, quick brush marks before paper started to dry to make this mix, to make this diffusion happening, right now when it's done, I can correct shapes and apply more wise, more smart, and accurate brush marks. But the general work already done. And the stem, I even don't clear my brush. I use the same green, I just add brown, I add this pink into my green. Like this. And here I'm gonna to paint at the one take, like this. At one take, the whole stem. I add it and I soften with another brush. I add and soften. This was it. I hope you see the difference. You get my little tips and tricks for you. And right now you might look at the watercolor medium with new eyes. And most importantly, I want to make you want to try those tips on your paintings and see what results you get by applying them. I hope you enjoy watching and see you in my next little watercolor tutorial with the last tips, as I have a space here. So stay tuned